The Harmonic damper. What is it and what does it do? This little thing could be the answer to all my prayers. This was fit to many Land Rovers on like Discoveries and Range Rovers in a bid to reduce vibrations and droning noises. Now if you followed my channel, you'll know that I've been battling a droning noise for as long as I can remember. I actually took one of these off my front axle a good few years ago. Read a lot of comments, people saying it doesn't actually do anything and get rid of it. So I followed the advice and now I'm getting a droning noise. Kind of points to this. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to fit this. This actually goes on the front diff and it's meant to reduce vibrations and things in the front axle, which is where I'm getting them. So I'm going to fit this today. We'll take it for a spin and I really hope that it fixes my noise. Yeah, other than checking CV joints and bearings and stuff, I don't know what else it could be. Yeah, so that's what it is, Harmonic dampener. I've actually returned my steering arms back to the 3° ones, purely because the standard ones didn't make any difference as in regards to the noise, but all they did was tilted the axle sort of too far, and the shockers were actually starting to rub on the shock turrets, which I found when I had them standard before. That was one of the issues, but the 3° actually straightens everything up and makes it all line up nicely. Didn't notice any difference with the steering. It is an old Land Rover and you've got big tyres, big wheels and tyres, so they do tend to wander and they're not exactly very precise on the steering. But the 3° to the standard arms, no difference really, not that I've noticed anyway. So right, let's get some gloves on and get this fit to the car. So from under the car, this is where the damper is going to attach, and this diff guard it's a little bit bent, so I have to pull it. So what I'm going to do with the damper is I'm going to take the weight off just to make it that bit easier. Right, now I can fit the damper to that bracket. I had to be careful with that bolt because it was starting to cross thread and I didn't want to have the hassle of rethreading all that bit. So yeah, used the ratchet strap, pulled the steering out, the diff cover over this way, made it a bit easier for fitting that bracket. Right, damper on. There we go. There we have it. I don't know if you can see it now. There we go. One harmonic damper. Right, that's the damper all back on. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it works. The only thing left to do now is to take it out for a spin and pray that the vibration's gone.
so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Can you hear that? No, I can't either. I can't hear it. I can't hear it. I'm doing 50 mile an hour in fifth gear. I can't hear it. Has the noise gone? No, it's not completely gone. Is it better? Absolutely. 100% better. The car actually feels a lot more solid now. I don't know whether it's in my mind or if it's just it is, but it does feel a lot more chunky. It feels solid, no vibrations. I am getting a little bit of noise and a bit of rumbling from the tyres, and I think that's because they are mud tyres. They've got big lugs, so you do get a bit of vibration on the road. I will be looking into swapping them for the Maxi all-terrains. I've heard good reviews about them, and I don't really need a mud tyre. I don't do a lot of mud driving, so I think the all-terrains will be absolutely perfect for me. I have also then got to sell these mud tyres so that I'm not spending a load of money on tyres, because Danielle will kill me. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. The harmonic dampener, it is worth having. I will 100% say it is worth having. If you've got vibrations in your driveline, get a harmonic dampener on it. It seems to be helping me. I do have a couple of other vibrations. I'm going to look into maybe the wheel bearings and maybe replacing the rear prop shaft for a double universal joint one. I have it down here ready to go on. It's just having a bit of time and keeping out of the rain. So yeah, if you've got vibrations, get a dampener fit. It should help you, and if you don't really care about vibrations, then don't worry about it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this little video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already. It really does make a difference. Give it a like, do all that kind of stuff. Leave me a comment because I love reading the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye for now.